In this video tutorial, I want to show you how to view your trip analytics. So it could be you want to see what happened for a particular trip. You want to just look at the summary of the trip. That means what was the luggage, what was the boarding, what was the parcel and all the stuffs. You should be able to go to trip analytics, and it will help you to also maybe look at trips for the previous days, because in the home view, by default you always see trips for that day, and you can obviously search. Remember, right? You can use the trip date, the departure city and the arrival city to go back to a previous day trip. But the convenient way to do it is to go through analytics, and then you go to trip overview. So in the trip overview, it's just a summary, right? It gives a summary of what happened for that specific trip. So in this case, I can view all the different trips because I have administration rights. But if you are a manager or a cashier for a particular branch, you will always see trips for your branch. So let's assume that I want to look at this trip, which is on the 5th. That was yesterday. For some reason, the cashier or the cashier or the manager that did not complete the bookings for this trip. So it's clear that this is not completed, and I want to maybe update the analytics or to check what went wrong. So I can now click on more details. It will bring me back to the trip. So I'm doing the recording of this recording on Monday the 6th, but this trip was on Sunday the 5th. So in this case, I still have the opportunity to enter bookings to maybe update the trip. So you can do the normal booking. So let's say the bus was let's just assume this one. So this one, for example, and I save it. Yeah, I can see enter all the bookings just to make sure my analytics are updated. You can still enter expenses as usual. You enter the expenses, you enter everything. You can still do add parcels to the trip. So the whole goal for analytics is for you to be able to get a summary of what happened for a particular trip, and you want to be able to maybe go back to that trip and update the trip analytics so that it is reflected on your daily report. So basically, that is the importance of trip analytics. It's just an overview of the different account heads, like the income, the expenses and everything concerning a particular trip.